Good morning, my friends. It's a very, very special day today. It's Saturday morning and I'm not hungover. No, seriously though, I'm doing a pretty muddy run today for cancer research. So I'm up and early. I'm going to get some breakfast and then I'm going to head to South Park. Why am I keep touching my hair? Stop it. And do the run and get very, very muddy. And I thought I'll attempt to vlog some part of the day. Do you want to have a glimpse of my outfit? We are on our way and I'm meeting up with the girls at South Park, and I got my hair a little bit pink. I'm going to look absolutely hideous, but you know.
Coming through, hands and knees please, hands and knees. Hands and knees. Try not to make a mess. Hands and knees please. You have never just come out of nowhere.
Yeah, go on, mate.
I am pretty muddy, but I did it with Anna, who's posing for the photos right now. Oh my god, I'm so muddy. And yeah, happy days. Well done, Poe, for not dying in the 5K. It was actually easier than I thought it would be. I'm gonna head home, shower, make myself look like a human being rather than like a gremlin. No, goblin? Goblin.
Gremlin also.
Gremlin, yeah. Well, a gremlin I can't help myself, but you know. And then trying to figure out what the plans are for the rest of the day, because I feel like celebrating. Didn't go out last night, happy to go out tonight. I am clean now. It took so long to wash all of the mud out, it was ridiculous. So now I just need to sort my face out. They actually got quite a lot of things planned today. Okay, much better. I look alive again. Last week we went to Millet's farm and I bought some apples from there and I still have some left. So I'm gonna make an apple cake. Then the plan is to go to a public house or pub somewhere for a couple of drinks with my friends to celebrate my run today and celebrate the weekend. But there's no specific plan at the moment, so we'll see where the night takes us. But the weather's so nice. Oh, I think I'm going to make a cake, and definitely I need to pop out for a walk or pub garden or something. So nice outside.
Apple cake time! Apple cake time!
Apple cake time! So first of all, I've got these 3 apples, and I'm going to peel them, cut them up, ready to go into the cake, and then I'll get with everything else. Now the apples are all cut up and ready, we need to prepare our tin. So, you need to use baking paper, but there is a hack to cut the perfect circle, because you know it's quite difficult usually to do a circle. So what you do is fold it and keep the center of what is going to be the center of the circle. So then you fold it again, this is the center, and then keep folding and fold again. That's right in the center. And then you just put it roughly to the center of your tin. So here it looks about around there. Let's try it. And I usually try a little bit bigger just in case, because you can always close it up and do it and resize it. When it's a bit too small, you don't want all of the mix and dough and everything getting on the metal, because you want it to be really easy to get out the cake there. So let's cut that. So we open it up, it looks like that, and it fits perfectly. So that's trick number 1. Trick number 2, especially for the apple cakes, and this is, I guess it's a Russian trick, because I haven't really seen any Russian recipes that wouldn't suggest it, but I haven't really seen that mainstream in Britain. But semolina. So you can make puddings and porridges from it, but I put it at the bottom of the tin. So we're going to put some butter it up a little bit and all on the sides, and then put some semolina, and then put apples on top, and they will be topped up by sugar and cinnamon, and then by the mix that we're about to make, and then it goes in the oven. It's actually really simple. Right, so I've coated the apples in a bit of cinnamon and sugar, and now we're off to get our mix done. So first of all, you're gonna mix with an electric mixer eggs and sugar for ages until it's proper fluffy, and then you add some flour with baking powder, and that's basically it. It's a very, very easy mix to make, and then you top up this with the mix and stick it in the oven. cake is ready. This is a slice. So as you can see, there are some apples in there, and it's quite like nice and soft cake, and I covered it with condensed milk. I love condensed milk. Condensed milk makes everything better, although it's very, very sugary. But yes, it smells delicious. I'm so excited to eat it. But this one is for my husband. I hope he enjoys it. He's not the biggest fan of apples, but let's see if we can convert him. So after the tastiest ever apple pie, I went for a nap and then ended up sleeping until 7. So now we got up and we're going to go for dinner at Lockfine and probably drinks after, but I'm not taking my camera with me. It might be just a little bit too dangerous. But I hope you enjoy the vlog. Please like and subscribe, and bye!